and welcome back to Silly Floss Art. Today is day 4 of our craft countdown. Let's see what we're going to be making today. And it's pom-pom gonks. Okay, let's go. And there she is, all done. She's so cute, and I also made a male version so you can see him on the tree in a second. I hope you've enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you again tomorrow for day 5. It's going so fast. Bye.